it's always a video.
It doesn't matter. I can still look cute. I can still look cute in a video.
Also, I think this train is doing the most sound-wise. We're gonna have to wait. And boom! Good morning, sunshine.
Okay, where's the sun though?
It's definitely not. And welcome to the Belgium Brussels vlog. So please, we're going to Belgium. We definitely missed the train, but I guess the earlier train. We're here on time for the train that we plan to be here for, but like we're sitting in the dark, the cold.
The dark and the cold.
But it's fine because we're on time, babes. African time, wait.
For who?
For who?
For what?
So
European vibes.
European vibes. Let's go.
Yes, I'm pretty, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You try and come back when you're famous. I always want to prove, but it's dangerous. You got something real not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.
Welcome to Belgium. We are here. It's so pretty.
And the sun came out.
The sun came out just for us. So we're gonna go try and have some Belgium waffles. So we're getting into all the things. Let's get into it.
Until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
So Ruby, in her brilliance, found us a free walking tour. So these are the scenes
These are the scenes.
that y'all are gonna see.
Highly recommend walking tours in the new city.
No, just
Yes. You need to walk.
if you don't like walking, don't walk.
But
We interrupt this program to bring you editing Dimpo. Listen, don't listen to me when I said walking tours are not the one. Listen, I've been to walking tours after Ruby introduced me to them. Walking tours are the best. Please don't listen to me and go on a walking tour. Okay, bye.
walk is good for your health. Also, you
Go
get
to the
see
gym. You can do sports. You can do whatever.
It's killing,
It doesn't.
killing multiple birds with one stone. You get to see parts of the city you can't see on a bus or train or whatever. And you
I'm
have
only doing this
someone-
because of her. Really, I wouldn't do this
You have
ordinarily.
someone explaining the sides to you.
Okay, Ruby. Okay, let's get into these scenes.
Do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, and what you do, that's right on mine. Spend my life with you, I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million.
Good morning from raining Brussels. We are on day 2. There is Ruby. How did you sleep, Ruby? She's singing in the rain instead of telling me how she slept. Anyway,
Glorious feeling.
go! Anyway, we are gonna commence with the, or not commence, we are gonna continue with the activities of the day, but we are leaving today. But we're gonna do two more things. Let's go. She's hyped it for real.
And I expect this to be
Basic.
not basic, like an average waffle, like the other one that I tasted. It won't be bad, but I'm not expecting my mind to be blown.
So let's see if your mind will be blown.
I'm prepared to be proved wrong.
Her face is not giving what it should give if her mind was blown.
It is light and fluffy.
Is it nicer than the one we had before?
No, it is not. It is not.
Enjoyment. Enjoyment.
Enjoyment.
Goodbye, Belgium. See you another time. That was real.